Hi, here is a simple activity you can use to help your child learn the letter sound for X as we get them ready to start reading at an early age. Collect a bunch of pictures or household items that contain the letter sound you're going to teach. Ask the child to name the pictures and listen for the same sound in all these pictures. Alright? The child will say box, 6, fox. We have box, 6, fox. I wonder what's the same sound in all these pictures. The child may fail to work it out. Then you can help him or her to work out the common sound like this. Box, box. 6, ox, fox. What's the same sound in all these pictures? The child will say, hey, I hear x sound. And where do you hear it? The child will say at the end. Ox, x. I hear x at the end. Ox, x. I hear x at the end. Alright, today we are thinking about x sound. Letter X makes the sound x, x, like in 6.